I'm sure you've heard the news. John D. Rockefeller wasn't just rich, he was a wealth-building mastermind. Here's how he did it. First up, relentless pursuit of efficiency. Rockefeller optimized every part of his business, cutting waste and boosting profits. Next, strategic partnerships. He didn't just compete, he collaborated with competitors and suppliers to control the market. Then there's innovative thinking. Rockefeller invested in up-and-coming industries and technologies, spotting opportunities way before others did. Philanthropy as strategy? Absolutely. He used his generosity to win public favor and stabilize his business environment. And finally, personal development. Rockefeller believed in continuous learning and self-improvement to stay ahead of the game. Now, how can you apply these principles? Focus on long-term growth instead of quick wins. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Leverage technology to optimize your strategies. Build a strong network of industry leaders and stay disciplined in your spending and reinvestment. Follow these steps, and you could be on your way to financial independence and lasting wealth. Ready to start your journey?